celebrities have constantly fallen prey to a line number of controversies, be it from wardrobe malfunction scandals or to the much talked about link-up stories. So coming as a treat to all you viewers this time, we now present before you some of the most happening blast from the past stories of our leading townies from B-Town. Thanks to their proximity during IPL matches, Deepika Padukone's relationship with Siddharth Mallya had definitely become the talk of the town back in 2011. However, here's what had ultimately topped their love story. Take a look. As they celebrated their team's victory over Kolkata Knight Riders, Siddharth seemed to have not resisted but cuddled Dippy out of joy and planted a kiss onto her lips. And for the obvious reasons, this privately kiss in public moment had undoubtedly ruled the buzz like never before. Well, they surely seem to have been blinded in love, but sadly, it just restricted to IPL fame. Exotic beauty Priyanka Chopra's career front has undoubtedly been a steady ride, but coming on her public appearances, the actress had been triggered with several controversies, one of them being this one. Tracing the snap at the launch event of Love Big CBS in 2012, Priyanka posed stunning with a shimmery short dress. But seems like she forgot to be cautious from the spy cameras that spotted the panty. Well, with this day at DC's blasted past, we surely had our share of fun. How about you? Actress Sonali Kulkarni turns to be our pick for the day, sporting a full-proof see-through jumpsuit at a celebrity event, while this Marathi chick tried to disguise her fat in black. But well, the lights couldn't just spare the horror. Yes, take a look. Disaster is the word. From a high-waist panty to the flabby tummy, well, we wonder how could she manage to put that comfortable smile on her face, trying to pose bold and beautiful? No, rather, she looks old and pitiful. Hello? We're referring to her nudity, sex, vulgarity, and all that engages a man's fantasy. So coming as one such erotic ride this time, here's a sexual blast with Frida's bold sex sequence from the famous film Immortals. Having stripped down from everything to nothing, Frida gave away a full-fledged visual candy with a steamy proximity with her co-star Henry Cavill in the film. In fact, leaving sex aside, the cameras further couldn't zoom out of Frida's nudity that oozed out from all the spares. Head to toe. Whoa, we can't breathe more in the smoke of hotness. How about you? Dusky Drape Kashmira Shah counts to be our pick for the day. Having done quite a lot of films by going bolder to boldest, Kashmira might have shed off all her inhibitions to some extent. But well, ever wondered if she could have stripped down to nothing throughout a long-minute sequence? Well, then here's a new treat that has come crawling from one of her blasted pasts. Yes, that's Kashmira posing completely nude in a film titled Revati. Whoa, now isn't that some unexpectedly hot stuff? Do let us know what you think of this Kashmira's naked avatar in the comments section below. And for more blasted past of your favorite celebrities, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Uncut.